The third question of a half-life problem goes like this. A mass of m grams of a radioactive isotopes decays to 5 grams in 100 days. The half-life of the isotope is 25 days. Calculate the initial mass of the isotope. So we use the simple equation that is N is equal to N0 times half power small t over capital T. We said N is the mass of the element that remains. I mean the amount of the element that remains. For our case, is the mass of the isotope that remains. N0 is the initial mass of the element. T is the time, and capital T is a half-life. So what we need to find is the initial mass, and that is N0. N, we have it, the mass of the isotope that remains, we were told is 5 grams in 100 days. So the time is now 100 days. So that means 25, that means 5 grams, that is N is equal to N0 times half power 100 over 25 days. Because we were told the half-life is 25 days. That becomes our capital T, which is 25. So if now you have got both T's, that is time and the half-life, you don't need to introduce a logarithm. You solve the equation the way it is. Okay. So let's now do 100 divided by 25 will give us 4. So that is 5 is equal to N0 half power 4. So half power 4 will be what? Half power 4 will be 0.5 power 4. That will give us 0.0625. So 5 grams is equal to N0 times 0.0625. So to get now N, we divide what? 0.00625 on this side, and on the other side divide 0.00625. So N0 is equal to 5 divided by will give us 80. So in grams. So the initial mass of the isotope is 80.